Title: Add a script to your chart, a TradingView tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to supercharge your TradingView charts with powerful user-made scripts, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to add community-generated scripts to your chart. These scripts can totally transform your trading experience by bundling multiple indicators or adding new tools you won't find anywhere else. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to discover, test, and add the very best community scripts to fit your trading style, even if you're using the free version of TradingView. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about what these scripts are and why they're so useful. User-generated scripts are pieces of code written by other traders like you and me, and they're shared right inside TradingView's massive community. Think of it like getting access to a whole toolbox, crafted by traders all around the world, each with their own ideas and strategies. Some scripts focus on a single powerful indicator, while others cleverly package 2 or 3 together, making them ideal for free users who are limited to how many indicators they can add at once. So to start adding a script, you'll want to head over to the TradingView chart where you want the new feature. Along the top of your screen, look for the Indicators button. It's usually marked with a little magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators window, and here TradingView gives you a huge menu of options. Now from here, you'll want to navigate to the Community Scripts tab. Sometimes it's just labeled as Community, and this is where the magic happens. Think of this like browsing the best ideas and tools submitted by fellow traders. You'll see scripts with all sorts of creative names, different authors, and a quick preview of what each one does. A helpful tip: if you already have an idea of what you're looking for, say, a specific type of moving average, or maybe a script that combines MACD and RSI, try typing that into the search bar. TradingView's community scripts library is massive, so searching can save you a bunch of scrolling. If not, simply browse the list and see what catches your eye. Sometimes the best tools are the ones you stumble onto by accident. Now here's an important thing to keep in mind, especially if you're using the free version of TradingView. Free users are limited to having only 2 indicators added to their chart at one time, but here's the great workaround. Many community scripts actually combine 2 or even 3 indicators into a single script. Imagine you want to see Bollinger Bands, an RSI, and a volume oscillator, but you're hitting your 2-indicator limit. Some bright minds in the community have bundled all 3 into a single nifty script, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment a little. Click on a script, and TradingView will give you a quick explanation of what it does, who made it, and sometimes even sample screenshots or extra instructions. To add a script, it's as simple as clicking once. After you select a script, click Add to Chart. TradingView will automatically load it up and overlay it on your price chart. At this stage, take your time to see how it looks and feels. Does it give you the information you need? Maybe try tweaking the script settings. Many community scripts let you adjust colors, calculation periods, or what's actually displayed. And don't worry if it doesn't look quite right or if it's not what you expected. You can always remove it just as easily. There's no risk in trying things out. Sometimes it takes a bit of exploring to find the script that perfectly matches your style, and that's totally okay. Remember, every trader has different needs and preferences. Once you found a script you like, use it alongside your own analysis. Over time, you might find a favorite that helps you spot trends or signals in a way you hadn't before. That's the real joy of using these community scripts, the creativity and diversity you get from so many people building tools for each other. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want specific script recommendations. I read every message and I'm always happy to help. And if you want more step-by-step TradingView guides just like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.